Hello friends, and welcome back to Lex's Budget Bunker Build. So today's jobs, I am going to fix the shoring onto these studs. These nice and solid, well concreted in. So what I'm going to actually do is weld a washer at the back of each rod, so that the wood pushes up against there, because there's going to be quite a gap, and then I'll backfill that. So I'll cover underneath the wood. I'll put a bit of boxing under there, and then backfill there with cement, make it nice and solid. Yes, let's get to it. Just get my camera situation sorted out. So I've got a washer, and then I've got a sample of the wood, the thickness. And I need to allow for another washer, and I'll allow for 3 nuts, the width of 3 nuts. So the idea of that is obviously only 1 nut, hold it on to hold the wood, and then I'm going to God, the end of that's not very good, and then allow enough length for the when I put the elevator in, the steel for that. And it'll probably be a bit, it'll be a little bit longer than I need, but I'd rather it a little bit longer than not long enough. Looks like I'm going to have to get the old file onto that one. Yeah, it must have slightly damaged the ends when I was knocking it in, even though I used a copper hammer. So I did check that all of these were good before I put them in. Okay, beautiful. Okay. Right, so that gives me where I need to weld the washer on. Let's bring down the welder. God damn it. Well, that's not going too good, is it? yeah, let's just put that there. Stop that moving back. Straighten that up. One down, 5 to go. Okay, so I've got all the washers welded on, and I've also welded on some extra rebar, as you see here, on each of the anchor points. So that means this section of wall is supported by 12 of these anchor points now, and they each go in about 500 millimeters, 100 millimeters round, full of cement and rebar. It's got to be pretty solid. So now I just need to get a bit of plastic to line this section here and get the wood on. Alright guys, I've got the plastic down. So that's a layer of coal bags and then the core flute. That's just to help stop the damp getting through. Right guys, okay, so I've got the wood in now. I need to get a couple of extra big washers and bits and pieces just to finish it off, but it's all in place. Solid as rock. Very happy with that. So this will be the size of the shaft moving down. I'll just keep adding on to this frame as I go down, and as I've mentioned before, every, I don't know, maybe once a metre, 1 metre apart, I'll put in more anchor points, so it'll be anchored all the way down. And so this side here would be where the elevator is mounted. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. So the next job I think will be to start concreting up this wall, get that all concreted out nicely, and probably at the same time I'll probably do a layer of concrete and start digging again. Real keen to get digging. And I think now I've got this shoring system, I feel pretty confident it's going to be safe. As I mentioned, the next layer down will be offset, so that the plank will go from this corner to that corner, and then the other one will sit inside, so it's going down, and then the next one will be back like this again, so it'll alternate. So these ones here obviously very strong because they're supported by these each side. This not as strong because really all it's holding it are these brackets, but it's only going to be for that 200mm strip because the next one down will be supported. I hope that makes sense. And then I was having a look at the I've mentioned I was going to put metal strips between them. I've had a look at those today. I don't know, they the size of them and stuff, I don't think they're going to be that great. So actually what I'm going to do is probably just put some wood, you know, some paling, not palings, but some maybe, I don't know, 50 by 100s down there. Put a couple of those just all the way down. So they'll be screwed to every every layer. So that'll make them, so then that'll make, you can imagine this one here will have this strip of wood, you know, this 50 by 100 going down, that'll be screwed to a plank that's actually supported this way, and the same at the bottom. So it'll be supporting the load on this one from the other two. Hope that makes sense. I'm rambling now, but it'll make more sense when I've done it. But I'm sort of just probably, it's a bit boring for my own sake as much as anything else. But yeah, no, I'm pretty happy with that. It's progress, and thanks for watching. Just like to give a shout out again to my Patreons. We've got Demon Zedo and we've got Rumble Wreck. So you guys, thank you very much for supporting me, and thank you to everybody else that's watching the videos and liking and subscribing. It all helps and I appreciate it. And yeah, I'll just keep trying to put out some content and keep this project going. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Thanks. There we go. I am here. Thanks for watching again, and that's Lex out.